Welcome to Vancouver's West End, where I live and work and play. Well, it's a frosty Thursday morning, and we're back at Home Depot buying Alpine Asters. Actually, we're not buying them. This is a wonderful thing about Home Depot at this time of year, is they're clearing out plants to make way for the Christmas season, and they will literally throw these out later today. And they were on sale originally at $7, then they got reduced to $2. Nobody bought them, and so now they're ours, and we've got 132 of them. You can see how they're gonna look all along the wall where we planted Sweet Box a couple weeks ago. The customer's not so sure, so we have to talk her into this idea, and if she says no, then it's plan B time, and I think I know what to do with them. So that's the plan. Let's pack up and get on our way. So the concept for these asters at 8 o'clock this morning was to plant them in front of the Sweet Box that went in a couple weeks ago for next spring. And there was 132 of them, and they would have looked great on this wall all the way down. But the homeowner decided against it. Didn't like so much color on the front of the house drawing attention. I get it. So they're all still in the car. Let's see, we got quite a few. And we're gonna plant them all on Beach Avenue tomorrow morning. They just got a bonus prize that they didn't even know about. Well, Lady Dawson, I think these plants will do great at your new Shaughnessy location, and I'm convinced that the front entrance would benefit from these plants here. Let me just show them to you. These are Alpine Asters, and they're incredibly beautiful in the spring and won't grow very tall. We can probably get all 92 for under $12 each.
Wow. Okay.
So, you know, it would be a good investment for, you know, the appearance of your new place. What do you think?
Okay, so they're a little purple. They come in just the purple, or a couple of colors?
Yeah, a little bit of white, a little bit of purple.
Yeah. Okay.
Be like a nice fringe. Excellent.
I trust you.
Okay,
Let's go
thank
for
you,
it.
thank you so much. And we'll get all these transported to the new Shaughnessy.
Okay. Thank you.
Hey, Mr. Tran is back. He's here to trim this hedge. He's got 2 other guys with him. They're here for 8 hours a day for 3 days to do this job for around 23 minutes. It's looking great. I think they're doing a fantastic job. Let's do a quick tour. He says I'm allowed to film him, but his crew has to be filmed from behind. And yeah, text me, no, send me a message if you want to hire him. Okay, let's go take a look. He's got a guy up in this tree. We'll film him from behind in a second. He's done most of the bottoms. He's done all the bottoms. Tops still need doing. He's got a guy up there. That's him in the cherry tree. And then he's got another guy back here. Nice day. And a beautiful day for it. Well, I'm gonna do my own pruning in a minute, but first I want you to see this person walking a dog. It is All Hallows Eve tonight, so we're in for some creepy sights. in the spirit of hedge trimming, since those guys are working so hard across the street, I'm going to try and finish the top of this hedge today. It's a job I've been avoiding, but it's such a beautiful day and perfect weather for this. So join me on the helmet cam and we'll do a little top trimming. Here we go. Okay, I was practically laying down on the damn thing, and I'm done for the day. Hope you enjoyed that. Until next time.